Hello, and welcome to session. Research for Senior Managers LO4 Data Collection and Analysis. How do you effectively collect and analyze data? This video explores essential techniques for data collection and analysis. Discover the importance of understanding both primary and secondary data. The journey begins with formulating the right research objectives. Understanding research philosophy is crucial. A critical review of academic literature sets the foundation. These steps guide the data collection and analysis process. They ensure clarity and focus in research. This session aims to explore data collection techniques. You'll identify both secondary and primary data, understand qualitative and quantitative data analysis, learn to interpret research findings effectively. These skills are crucial for any research endeavor. Primary data is collected through first-hand research. It is tailored specifically for your research needs. Secondary data comes from existing sources without direct interaction. Each type has its own advantages and challenges. Choosing the right type depends on your study's objectives. In-depth interviews offer detailed insights. Surveys gather large amounts of information efficiently. Focus groups provide demographic-specific knowledge. Social media monitoring offers candid insights. These methods help tailor data to your research goals. Secondary data includes reports, books, and journals. Government publications and statistics are valuable sources. Industry association reports provide sector-specific insights. Company websites offer annual reports for analysis. These resources complement primary data effectively. Data analysis is not just a step in research. It requires planning from the start. The choice of techniques depends on your research question. The quality of analysis hinges on chosen methods. Proper analysis leads to meaningful insights. Quantitative analysis focuses on numerical data. Key considerations include research questions and objectives. Identifying variables and relationships is crucial. Testing statistical significance is often necessary. Display findings effectively for maximum impact. Consider cross-tabulations for answering research questions. Descriptive statistics summarize data effectively. Hypothesis testing validates assumptions. Measuring relationships involves correlation and regression. Each technique serves a specific analytical purpose. Qualitative analysis explores meaning and context. It focuses on actions and reasoning behind behaviors. Identifying themes is a primary step. Coding data reduces it to manageable forms. It treats data as answers to open-ended questions. Data interpretation answers key questions. What is important in the data and why? What can be learned from it? Interpretation depends on the researcher's perspective. It provides context and meaning to data analysis. Focus on analysis that answers your research hypotheses. Dig deeper into your data for hidden insights. Be ready to defend your statistical choices. Compare findings with existing literature. Highlight significant differences in your research. Compare findings with existing research. Use the literature review section for context. Assess similarities and differences in findings. Highlight pieces that contribute significantly. This enhances understanding and development of research. Check if the research gap is addressed. Relate findings to research objectives. Explain similarities and variations in works. Determine which pieces best support your argument. This approach helps achieve higher research marks. Study sources of secondary data for your topic. Analyze the suitability of primary or secondary data. Identify participants for your research. Prepare a survey questionnaire for data collection. This groundwork is essential for effective research. Primary data is first-hand and specific to research. Secondary data is pre-existing and indirect. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks. The choice depends on research objectives. Both can complement each other effectively. In-depth interviews provide detailed participant insights. They allow guiding the conversation towards objectives. An unstructured approach can also be beneficial. Interviews are tailored to gather specific data. They are a key method in primary data collection. Surveys collect large amounts of information efficiently. They are effective when asking the right questions. Focus groups gather demographic-specific insights. Open discussion is encouraged for honest feedback. Both methods enhance primary data collection. Social media monitoring captures candid conversations. It provides insights without direct participation. This method is valuable for understanding public opinions. It complements traditional data collection techniques. Monitoring helps in gathering real-time data. Government publications offer reliable statistics. Industry association reports provide sector insights. Market research reports are valuable secondary sources. These documents support comprehensive data analysis. They are essential for understanding broader trends. In conclusion, reviewing a range of literature sources is essential for identifying the most appropriate materials for the chosen area of research. By critically evaluating academic journals, books, industry reports, and credible online sources, researchers can ensure the information used is relevant, reliable, and up-to-date. This process helps establish a strong theoretical foundation, identify research gaps, and support the development of well-informed research objectives. Effective literature review enhances the quality and credibility of the overall research. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.